You're just gonna hand tighten that one on.
My car runs good.
All right, friends. So my friend's wife bought him a car. She don't know about it. But we have 8 days to build this boy out. Our friend, our friend Eric from Detroit, he's here to kind of like guide us on like what we should on what to cut and like how to saws out speakers. He specializes in that type of stuff. So we're right now. Devin, what kind of exhaust is that?
Borla.
Cause how do you know why?
S-type. I don't know. I don't know.
Devin's a big car guy, and you know, car guys like their Borlas. So
which one, is this the racing or is it the touring?
It's the middle, the S-type.
But
It's pretty darn loud.
Caleb, our guy that he has the wife, he already put the manifold on and everything. It sounds mint like a race car should. And now we're just gonna get onto this Borla because Devin knows what a Borla is. and then from there we're doing rear sway bar, we're doing springs, lowering springs, and then we got a cool set of wheels that we're gonna show you guys too. So it's gonna be fun.
All right.
Mwah.
How are you opening the garage and start it for like 3 seconds?
Yeah, just start it. If it is a
The echo will help your car.
yeah.
100%.
All right, this is before the what is it? It's a Borla. Yeah, Devin, what is it? It's a race car. All right, let's hear her purr. Wow. This car is 69s. Once.
Only turbo does. Yeah, do you see the side of the exhaust there? Jesus Christ. Yeah, they'll
Hey, don't you gotta learn to say your name?
Look good?
Yeah. Right here, see, no, it's not Benny, but this is.
No, you want to be on this.
The pinch welds.
You want to be on the pinch wheel? Is that what you want to be? You don't want to be on this?
No.
that'd probably be fine too. Though.
Yeah, you could do this.
That doesn't take a lot to get it off either.
No, it doesn't for you, big boy.
Do you have an exhaust clamp hose?
You know what I wish we had was one of those like things that hold the exhaust up. 'Cause we'd have to use like a floor jack and like a hockey stick or something.
And we got 3 people.
Well, you're taking it apart right here, right?
Yeah. So this is what makes it extra loud is the downpipe. That's like the most restrictive thing. But we're gonna have the only muffler is gonna be one smaller than this. So.
Oh, really?
They were losing the whole.
You're losing that whole thing, huh?
I'll lay it out here.
Can you explain what we're doing, Devin?
Build the race car.
I'm curious, how the fuck they put those on?
Yeah, right.
Why do they do this? Why do they
put them.
so stupid? I also got a belly pan coming. So like this oil pan's plastic. So
Yeah.
versus this. It's the one off the all track. So and I got a dog bone mount insert, so it'll stiffen everything up.
I like stiff.
Yeah. Stiffer the better. That's what I'm saying. I'm looking for a wrench. I think I have the 13.
Oh, well, we can run to the store real quick.
You might have to, honestly.
Yeah, you probably go to like AutoZone or something to get it. They'll let you borrow it, probably.
I know a Snap-on guy. Just kidding, I don't. I know where he lives.
They did it that way, so it'd be harder to steal the catalytic converter.
You can just cut that
No,
thing right
Sawzall
out.
doesn't matter which direction that thing is.
Yeah, I was gonna say. It doesn't matter.
I'm just saws all the up.
It's okay, when I can't get it, usually Darian gets it for me.
I just don't want to burn myself. I don't think it's hot enough to burn, but.
What temperature does skin start to burn?
He should know.
You should. We have to cut this to get this out. That one looks
We
easier
can
though.
just take this thing off.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wasn't even looking at that. I was like, we need a Zaza.
Let me go home and get my angle grinder.
You want me to get it for you?
No. Paul Jones up off weight.
Oh my god, what? How did that switch? Did you want to learn from us?
Yeah, right. We're not teaching, but we're not teaching.
It's for entertainment
We're not teaching.
purposes only.
It's so tight. Your face looks beautiful.
So big, it's gotta be held with 2 hands.
You got it?
Yep.
Big and heavy. What now, Daddy?
Wait for my metal tray. Tony, I've never put a sway bar in. I've cut a few though.
Yeah, we cut the sway bar links out of my car. 2
Out
out
of
of
yours?
4.
Just the
And
the.
replace them?
No.
So no
Cut 'em
links?
out.
No,
sway bar? So, I mean, that's...
I like the sway a little bit. Oh, an officer pulled me over. Sir, you been drinking? No, sir, I ain't got no sway bar links. I don't consume that devil juice.
Goes and gets a beer out of the
I was
fridge.
thinking about that.
Guys, if we come over here, we have a whole warehouse of parts for this car. Beautiful. This is a lucky man right here.
Wonder if you push the tire up, it'll come out easier.
Yeah,
Is there a
maybe.
difference or no?
No.
It's fun to watch.
Yes, it is.
A little bit higher, down.
Making a difference in my pants.
It's Devin's first time holding a wrench.
Right, wrenching my pants.
Oh, nice. I'd like to see that. Get out of here.
Let's try to start a fire.
Should be out now, huh?
Yeah.
Theoretically. What do they say, Devin?
Hindsight's always 20/20.
That's what I told him.
Classic.
Yeah. You guys want to watch out. Just gonna give it a little tap.
Just putting it back down.
Yeah, right back.
Just go ahead, pound them over, Devin.
I need something
Your,
to
your idea.
Some of the flat,
Yeah, pound them over. Just pound them over.
That might be too long.
Just using car parts. Just go outside the wheel. Where you just need a long enough extension.
Do you want the sawzall?
Honestly, that would do her. With a cut-off wheel.
Yeah, it's like... Sounds like we cut the out.
Our lead mechanic and what else did we
Crew
call
chief.
him?
I'm a
Crew chief.
Senior citizen.
Citizen. Stereo. Person. Civic.
Videographer for later on tonight when everyone's doing this naked.
Have a fun ride. Non-turbo SI. Non-turbo. Okay. That f***ing guy.
Darian, your girlfriend called.
Alright, I might need some lube for this one.
What are you doing?
Commercial stuff.
Yeah.
Darian, what about instead of the camera, you throw on some of these bolts?
Hey, how about you shut the f up?
No help. No help. Son of a you slippery mother. You slippery like a slope.
Here.
What am I gonna do with that? That's what I want to know. Can you hand me that?
Which one? This one? Oh, the nut. You want the nut?
I'll give you all the nut.
Darian's parents are in here. We talking about how you give me nuts.
Here, I'll give
You're gonna
it.
think I'm weird.
Are you embarrassed?
You're gonna make me sweat.
Kevin, are you embarrassed by me?
Look at you. You can shit fall. What are you doing?
I was just seeing if you guys are paying attention.
I was gonna round out that
It looks way cooler that way.
Much more aesthetic.
Yeah, this one I can't get the fucking thing.
You got it last time. You can do it. You're just gonna hand tighten that one on.
My car runs good.
It's not quite on there.
Waits for him to be coming. Hey, bro.
It was too loud.
Start yelling.
Yeah. Ooh. Gorgeous.
Okay.
There it is. She's in. So I'm thinking that we're gonna want to have have this at a good, not quite hitting,
No,
but
you
like,
want it to shake. That's what gives it the rumble effect. Did something come off here?
We didn't take anything else off.
I don't think.
Really?
Hold on,
Yeah,
let's
not
see.
yet.
I think we might want a little bit more length at the back. What do you think?
Oh, it kind of looks good.
This one looks like shit. Is there torque specs for these or no?
Yeah, it's 2 Ugga-Duggas. You tossed salad?
No. I don't do work like that.
She tossed his.
Yeah.
Tossed your salad.
Oh, sick. Somebody already opened these.
Yeah.
Cool, now I'm not the dick. Would you stop?
Beauty. That one's not tight up there.
I'm trying to figure out how to get to it though.
Yeah, you could just go up there without
You go right here with the
without an
Milwaukee.
extension.
Yeah, man. Sometimes you gotta go without the extension.
Sometimes the extension don't do you
Yeah,
good.
you can't always grab that gas station pill. It's bad for your liver. That's an occasional thing. You don't do that every day, do you? That was a good laugh. I haven't heard a laugh like that in a minute.
What?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah. Me too.
What are you looking at?
Is that supposed to be like that?
Look at the pipe.
A little bent.
I don't know if we have a choice.
Yeah. Better make sure that's clamped on good.
Wonder how much.
There's like a relief punch here too. So yeah, I think that's
wonder
supposed to
how
be
much
like that.
we aren't where we're supposed to be here. Just pictured slipping and just pow on video too.
I think I'd swing back.
Yeah.
This thing tightened right up.
Oh yeah, she's tight. She's ready to fire up. Can you believe that?
When you slid off the road.
Find that slow. Oh, is this going anywhere?
No.
We're just not on the bolt.
Look at that face.
There's one Ugga-Dugga. Why is that?
What are we doing?
We're
now?
building a race car in like 4 days. It's gonna be really
4 days?
Yeah, we're gonna take half a day off. Well, I'm not, but they probably will. Joe was in here today. She goes,
You are stressing me out.
How come you have that sweater on?
it's probably ugly sweater day at work.
Oh.
Oh gosh, man.
It wasn't ugly.
I'm
I'll
good.
give you $5 to tell me the name of this lamp.
Oh, what is the name
No,
of
not
the
the name
lamp?
of the
Fragile.
Teresa? Tree.
Ladylike lamp?
T. Linda?
I
Ferda?
like Francesca.
Fragile.
Fragile.
I said that.
You said
That's
fragile.
not the name of the lamp. That's the
Yes,
name
it
of the
is.
box the lamp came in.
What is going on?
Huh? It's a work shirt.
All right. We
It's hard to tell.
all got this all checked that out. That big boy. Look at that big pipe. What's this, 3 inches?
For once, it's a big thing.
Okay. Look at that. That's beautiful. And we got the sway bar in there and everything. Oh, we forgot about our sway bar end
We'll do
link.
that when. We'll put that in when we do the springs.
Okay.
Hopefully it doesn't hit anything.
Put it in first. Put it in first.
That is exactly where I wanted it.
Yeah.
It's not over the top. Why would anyone buy a resonator?
Yeah, I feel like a resonator would have really not done the job. All right, guys. So at this point in this little series that we're doing, we have the rear springs installed, exhaust installed, and cold air intake installed. But this is going to be pretty much the end of this video. Check back with us. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. In the next video, we're going to be installing the wrap and the front springs, and then what else are we doing? Wheels. So make sure to stay tuned. Comment, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. Make sure you hit that little bell button, I think it is, to make sure you know when we're posting. So we'll see you guys. Have a good one. We're out of here.